contemplating the vastness of space, few of us consider how congested the path there might become. Commercial enterprises are evolving in what's becoming a space renaissance. Privately funded spacecraft compete with unmanned aerial systems, passenger and shipping aircraft, and the military for right-of-way in the skies, and now in space. One vehicle's trip into orbit requires unhindered passage through numerous other layers of air operations, competing with low Earth orbit constellations and space debris from decades of past launches. MITRE is collaborating with the space and aviation communities to develop a surface-to-space information architecture. This functional map will ensure that the system emerging from this rapid investment provides interoperability and effective coordination at every mission stage, from pre-launch through atmospheric transit to low Earth orbit and payload deployment, and return to Earth. Safely navigating each airspace level, from the C and B scene low-altitude environment and the dense lattice of commercial airspace to low Earth orbit and beyond, requires knowledge of what might get in the way. It's critical that stakeholders communicate and operate under common standards to ensure safety and reduce barriers to continued investment in space. We are working with government, industry, and academia to develop the functional architecture, including the commercial space operational principles and frameworks that could lead to the first coordinated traffic control for surface-to-space navigation. MITRE has captured the challenges and recommendations in 3 areas: strategic planning and enterprise coordination, transition region rules and structures, and integrated air and space operational controls. MITRE is uniquely positioned to play this role. We combine deep technical knowledge with objectivity to develop, evaluate, and propose strategic approaches that put the mission first. The rapid pace of technical migration into this new frontier requires creative and impactful answers to known and emerging problems. Because the sky is not the limit anymore.